Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and gathering credentials because the uninstall requires elevated rights. Backup templates, signatures, and any custom registry keys so you can restore settings later. Once done, close every Office application and save your work. Background processes can block removal. Now open Settings, go to Apps, and locate Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016 in the Installed Apps list to begin the removal process. You will click Uninstall and accept the user account control prompt because Windows needs permission to change installed programs. The Office uninstaller may ask whether to remove just the app or all related features. Choose Complete Removal to avoid leftover components. Make sure to follow each on-screen confirmation and decline optional offers. While the uninstaller runs, avoid restarting or forcing shutdown. Windows removes files and updates registry entries and interruptions, can leave Office in a broken state. After the uninstaller finishes, you must reboot so Windows can unload drivers and finalize registry changes. This step completes the removal. If Office still appears or you get errors, download and run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant Removal tool to clean leftovers and repair installer state. Make sure to check programs and features or settings to confirm Office is gone, and only then reinstall or install a different Office edition. If problems persist, run the tool again and review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.